Welcome back. This is Motec. In our third program, we are going to learn how to declare variable declaration. Uh, Before learning on how to declare variable, it is better to know the meaning of variable. Variables are the storage for data values. They are like rooms for storing data. Before using any variable, you must declare it. That is what is called variable declaration. In variable declaration, two things must be considered. Data type for the variable and the variable name. So let's go to start declaring our variable in our program. Create a new file, hash include iostream using names space std int main here let's put a comment. C++ program shows how to declare variable rooms for data values. Okay, as I said before, that a key concept in a variable declaration is the data type of the variable. Let's say our data type is int and the name of our variable is x. That is over. Let's declare our second variable. Data type of the variable, let it be string, and the name of variable be a name. Second variable declared. Let's declare our third variable of data type float, and its name is salary. That's over. That is just a variable declaration. Let us output our created variables to the console. As we know that outputting something as a message on console, we need to see out. So x name and salary are the variables declared. Yeah, this is right. Yeah, semicolon, return is 0, Yeah, this is end of our program. As we follow guide from our book, program should be saved declaration.cpp. So compile, save it declaration.cpp. So as you can see, no errors, no warning, everything is right. So let's compile and compare our output from the console from that output of our book. Yeah, this is the figure 5 showing our part 1, which is source code, and this figure 6 shows the output. Let's compare our output from the console to that output of our program. As you can see here, everything look the same. X name and salary are the variables declared. Everything is right. So here are the important points about variable declaration. Note the following rules must be considered during variable declaration. Variable name should not be keyword such as else, break, case, for, and other keyword in C++, like for loop, while, do. Those are the keywords in C++. Variable name cannot contain space between it. For example, string first name. Let's say you want to create a variable called first name. You should have underscore here, no space between variable name. That is, it should be string first name. I mean, you should connect, you should not separate two words when declaring variable. Combine them together, that is without space. I mean, remove space between your variable, or it should contain underscore like this. So instead of declaring string first name, it is better to declare your variable as string first name without space between, or string first name with underscore. It should start with letter or underscore. Any variable name should start with letter or underscore. Variable name cannot start with numbers and other special character. It should not contain special characters like $, at, that use the hash include, and all other special character. Thank you for watching. This is end of our third program, which was about variable declaration. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the next video.